discussion boards quickly. So hopefully, please watch the syllabus video that's up there that walks through the class, how the class is set up. Here I'm going to walk you through the discussion board. So if you go down from our homepage or Get Started page, here are some guidelines on the discussion boards right here. So let's pull that up. And here we are. Discussion boards for Introduction Literature, Distance Learning, Summer 2023. Our online reading log, discussion boards, forums, I call them a bunch of different things, but it's all the same thing, consists of 5 dates where you will post a short response to the reading on Blackboard under discussion boards. And I'm going to show you how to get to this a few times. Here's how to get to the discussion boards. Log on to Blackboard, click on discussion boards, click on discussion board again, click the forum for the date, click on create thread, create your thread, and hit submit. So those are the step-by-step guidelines, and I'm going to show you here as well. So from our home page, see right here on our toolbar, discussion boards. Click on that, click on discussion boards, and here's the first one. You would click on this blue discussion board for Thursday right here. Click on that. Click on create thread, and you just answer the questions and hit submit. And let me walk through how to do these things. Each entry will be roughly 200 to 300 words total. That's for the whole, all of them, not each one. I don't want to, not each question. This is for the whole discussion board total will be 200 to 300 words. I don't care if you go over 300 words, that's fine, but at least get to 200 words. Try on this. The more you do on this will help you for the paper. And we'll talk about the questions that will be posted. Each entry should specifically address the text in question and be supplemented by 1 to 2 direct quotes from the text. Obviously, this first question, this is your own thoughts. And I'm asking you specifically. I don't say, well, it's different for everyone. Well, obviously it's different for everybody. I want your thoughts, your feelings on it. And then when you get to the questions about saving sortie, here is where I want you to include at least 1 to 2 quotes. Not for each question, that's total. Think of these discussion boards as jumping off points for the longer papers. All right. The entry will be due by midnight of the assigned date. For example, the forum for Thursday, May 25th will be due by midnight. These are worth a lot of points. I put big stock in these. 500 points. So these are worth 100 points each. Entries that do not meet the requirements will receive less credit, as will late entries. Keep up with these. Don't not do these. All right. This is half the class. This is worth big money. Here are the dates. Thursday, May 25th. Thursday, June 1st, we have an outlier day here because the paper's due Thursday, June 8th. I'm not going to have you do 2 things on once, but those are the dates. That's it. The discussion boards serve many purposes and make sure we're doing the readings without resorting to pop quizzes. I don't like pop quizzes. I don't want to give you quizzes on here. What's most important for these, though, you can build on what you write and use it in your essays. For example, if you feel you've done some great work writing on Baldwin Sonny's Blues and you want to write your close reading paper on it, you'll be able to go back and look at your discussion board as a jumping off point. So that's the discussion boards, 200 to 300 words total. If you go over, that's fine, but at least get to 200 words. Answer these thoroughly. Don't just say, hey, the story's cool, I dug it. Try on these because this will make the papers easier. One more time, how you get to the discussion boards. From our home page, click discussion boards, click this, create thread. You got to remember to hit create thread, type in your response, and hit submit. I've had a lot of students on this type in the response and X out and close the tabs, and it loses it. You got to hit submit. All right, so hit submit on that. Answer these questions. And that's the discussion boards. Please, again, if you have questions, email me.